Hey Ty, is there anyone on the right side? Is there anyone on the right side? There's one right here. By this window. Ready? Wait, where's the bin?
It's on the red tower.
Hit! Oh no.
Oh shit, he's looking at me.
Oh, I can't reach that. Hey, the football's right there! Woo! Hey, there's one on the window.
Where's the football?
Who's up there? Ooh. Hey, there's one in the bus. One in the bus.
Alright, you go grab it.
Oh shit.
Jump in!
Just drop the football. Oh yes, bring it here, baby.
I saw him. Wait a second.
Oh shit, my bag. Wait, where's the bin? Wait, where's the bin? Hey, is there? Oh shit. Hey, there's one on the right side, right side. Oh, yeah. Hey, one on the right side! Right side! Hey, right side, one more! Inside the building! Hey, somebody on the right side! Hey, stay on the right side! I tossed it when I got hit.
When you got hit,
Yeah.
like simultaneously?
Yeah.
Toss on top, 3 points. Your
Top?
lower one's 1 point.
Oh, what the?
Toss it at? To this. The red one. Yeah, you just toss it to him, you put it.
Oh. Oh. I'm about to gas out.
About the water pouch.
I'm about to gas out. Hey, left side, blue building. Blue building, right side, left side. Oh shit. Hit. God dang. Alright, bro, I'm about to rush up. Look at this. I'm going super fast. Hit! No! Woo! Woo! Alright. Fuck that shit. I'm gonna take a quick break, bro.
I need water. Wait, did they just say they're fourth?
I don't know.
No, dude, when I was shooting it, the battery wasn't... No, it was shooting. Who the fuck shot me all the way over here? No, I got it. I know how to get there.
Hey, there's gonna be a guy on the right side.
I killed the guy.
Hey, there's gonna be a guy on the right side. Oh shit, my bag. Hey, watch on the right side, Devin. Hey, Hey, yo, grab that football. Hey, Vicky. Oh shit, I'm back. Oh shit. Hit! Ah! Oh shit. Hey, right side, right side! Bro, this guy Omar just went fucking passed by. He's in the berry. My bad.
Literally the second I turned around.
Dante has made up the three-pointer, score 10. 7-3, guys. Score 10. 7-3 with Dante Buck. Score 10. 7-3 with Dante Buck.
Hey, push up! What?
Did you spike it and stuff?
Yeah.
That's what's up. That's sick. You guys have made a lot more balls.
Ah, hit! That's one. Ah, my gosh.